Recording?
Yeah.
So how long have you worked at the Star and Shadow?
I mean, just to explain a little bit, you probably know all this about the Star and Shadow. It's run by fully volunteer collective. So the term work, I'm not sure if it really, it does apply as in order to run a project like the Star and Shadow, you need to put some work into it. I have been involved loosely with the Star and Shadow since the beginning. Some of you might know, the Star and Shadow used to be based in the side cinema before, on the quayside, and then the core collective of the cinema started looking for a different venue when those plans for the building to be sold, and as it's happened, that hasn't taken place. But the Star and Shadow decided to move out at the time, and I haven't been one of the main people with the Star and Shadow, and I have actually contributed minusculely to the project comparatively, but I have I helped at some of the building festivals, and by doing things, painting, cooking for the volunteers. As in one of my past jobs, or in quite a few of my past jobs, I used to be a chef, so I occasionally help out at events, cooking, providing catering, that sort of thing. Occasionally I volunteer at the bar, and in this room where we are now, this is the Star and Shadow dark room, where people like to make movies on proper film, but I haven't got that far yet. I am still just experimenting with photography and developing film and printing photographs, yeah, that sort of thing. As you can see, it's still work in progress, but it's now more usable than it ever has. Hopefully we'll be able to make some proper movies here as well. So if you've got any more specific questions I might give, if you wonder what I'm fitting in here, like someone with what is it called? Where you can't concentrate on talking at the camera. Actually what I'm doing is I'm unwrapping a photographic enlarger, just like one of those you can see on the wall, just here. But this one is a little bit better than those, so I'm gonna put it together and hopefully use it soon.